Let's see the next heading, representation of data using bar graph. In the previous chapter, we have seen how to represent data in a pictograph. Now we are going to draw a bar graph. Yes, so it is very easy. Look at this table. Take this as an example. Day given, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so totally 7 days given, and number of mobiles sold. Okay, so look at this question. Raghavi's father is a mobile shop owner. He is a mobile shop owner. She finds the following data of a scale of mobile in a week. Okay, in a particular week, how many number of mobiles sold, that is what the given information. First one is a day and the next one is number of mobiles sold. So for 50, 45, 40, 20, 35, 30, 55. So the data given. Here we are going to represent this data by using a bar graph. So step by step they given. I will explain all these steps, then easily you will understand. So the first step is, when you are drawing a bar graph, you want to draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is called x-axis and this is called y-axis. By using scale and pencil only you have to do this. You should not use pen here. Okay, only scale and pencil is enough. After that, you just write all the information which is given in the question. What is the information given here? Sales of mobile in a week. So write the heading first. So after that, here we are taking that x-axis as days of the week. Heading you want to write. First draw the x-axis, y-axis. Okay, horizontal line and vertical line. After that, mention the heading. So here the x-axis represent days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. After that, the y-axis represent number of mobiles sold. So here what do you want to write? Here we are writing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and here we are going to write number of mobiles sold. So what are the numbers given here? 50, 45, 40, 20, 35, 30, 55. You cannot write the numbers in this order. Okay, so what do you want to do now? So all these numbers will come in fifth table. Am I correct? So let's take the scale as 5 numbers. I will show. Just listen. So here the scale is 1 unit. They are taking as 10 mobiles. I said both are everything will come in fifth table. You can take 5 or 10. Here they took as 10. Because look at this, 50, 40, 20, 30, all these numbers will come in 10th table. So let's take this scale as 10 units. So scale 1 unit is equal to 10 mobiles. I will tell what is 1 unit. Okay, so here. So as usual, headings you want to write, scale you want to write. After that, whenever you are drawing a bar graph, you must start with 0. So here we have a 0. After that, we have taken 10 mobiles. Am I correct? 1 unit is equal to 10 mobiles. So let's start writing from 10. Okay, 10. After that, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. You can write up to 100. That is your wish. Okay, now you understood. So here all the numbers will come, most of the numbers will come in 10th table. So we took 10. If suppose number of mobiles have given like this, 8, 6, 2, 4, 10. If they given like that, what is the number you want to use? What is the scale you want to take? 1 unit is equal to 2 mobiles. Am I correct? Because all these numbers will come in 2 table. So this is what the method you have to write a scale. Okay, here we took scale 1 unit is equal to 10 mobiles. 10 mobiles we took. Let's see the answer. So 0, you want to start always with 0. After that, write the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, let's see the question. In Sunday, how many mobiles sold? 50. So where the Sunday is? Here the Sunday is. Okay, you just fix this as Sunday. After that, count the numbers: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Actually in Sunday, how many mobiles sold? 50. So you just draw a line like this. Draw a line in the top. After that you just draw a bar like this. That's all, very simple. Yes. After that let's see what is for Monday. Monday is equal to 45. Here 10, here is the Monday. Okay, so here we want to start 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. After that 50 only there is no 45, but we know where the 45 is. 40 and 50 is there, so in between of 40 and 50 45 will be there. You just consider. Yes, after 40 what will come? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So in the center it will come. 40 and 50 is here, in the center 45 will come. So choose the center and draw the line in the Monday. Draw the line in the Monday. After that draw a bar. That's it. So all other remaining bars also like same you want to draw. Clear? First what do you want to do? First draw the x-axis, y-axis. After that mention the heading, days of week, number of mobiles. You can change and write, no problem. Here you can take number of mobiles, here you can take days of week. It's your wish. But if you are writing like this, it will be easy for you. First heading always write in x-axis, second heading always write in y-axis, then you will feel easy. After that what do you want to choose? You want to choose the scale. Here all the numbers, most of the numbers will come in 10th table. Okay, so I took 10 mobiles. 1 unit is equal to 10 mobiles. Suppose if all the numbers will come in third table, you want to take 1 unit is equal to 3 mobiles. After that what do you want to write? Mention all the heading like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. After that mention the numbers. Then find out how many mobiles were sold in Sunday. Draw a graph. Draw a bar. After that find out how many number of mobiles sold in Monday. Then draw a graph. First draw the top line. After that draw a bar. Very easy, no? So here see, they changed the heading and they have done a graph. Compared to this will be easy to draw. That's why I have chosen this. I will give homework some, you just do it.